If you're wondering what Coursera is, this beginner guide will explain everything you need to know before getting started in 2026. Before we begin, you'll find a discount link in the description below that gives access to the latest Coursera Plus offer, so you can check the current pricing if you decide to subscribe. Coursera is one of the world's largest online learning platforms, offering courses, professional certificates, specializations, projects, and even degree programs from top universities and companies. The platform partners with organizations like Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, and hundreds of universities to help learners build career skills in areas such as AI, Python, business, data science, technology, marketing, and much more. Getting started is simple. You create a free account, search for a topic that interests you, and enroll in a course. Some courses can be previewed for free, while others require payment if you want full access and a certificate. If you only want to take one course, you can purchase an individual program. With Coursera Plus, you can earn unlimited certificates and explore multiple subjects without paying separately for each course. According to Coursera, many learners report positive career outcomes after using the platform. Coursera also offers a monthly subscription with a 7-day free trial and an annual plan with a 14-day money-back guarantee. Right now, new subscribers can get the Coursera Plus annual plan for $239 instead of the regular $399 price. The current promotion offers 40% off and is available until July 13th, 2026. So, who is Coursera best for? It's a great option for beginners, career changers, students, professionals, and anyone who wants to learn valuable skills from trusted institutions. Check the discount link in the description below to see the latest Coursera Plus offer and start learning from some of the world's top universities and companies.